Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss worksheet number 26, chapter 7, percentage. In this worksheet, we are using the same formulas that we had used in the previous worksheet number 25. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100, or profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So at the place of profit, we can put selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied by 100, or cost price minus selling price divided by cost price multiplied by 100. First sample question. A man bought an article for rupees 25 and sold it for rupees 40. Another man bought an article for rupees 50 and sold it for rupees 60. What rate of profit is greater and by what percent? So here we are talking about two shopkeepers. They both purchase an article and having a profit. So we have to compare here the profit of both the shopkeepers. So first we talk about the first shopkeeper. Cost price of an article for first shopkeeper is 25 rupees and selling price is rupees 40. So here we can find profit percent very easily. Selling price minus cost price, but upon cost price, put the values given here. 40 minus 25 divided by 25 multiplied by 100. When we solve this, we get 60%. Now another shopkeeper who purchased the same article for rupees 50 and sell it for rupees 65. Now solve this. Profit percent for second shopkeeper, selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Put the given values. Selling price and cost price, 65 minus 50. Here we get the profit for another or second shopkeeper is 30%. So first shopkeeper gains 60% and second shopkeeper gains 30%. As 60% is greater than 30%, that means the first shopkeeper's profit is greater by 30%, because the difference between these two percentage is 30%. Second sample question is, Samir bought 1600 bananas for rupees 3.75 a dozen. He sold 900 of them at 2 for rupees 1 and the remaining at 5 for rupees 2. Find his gain or loss percent. So Samir bought 1600 bananas at the rate of 3.75 a dozen, means 12 bananas for rupees 3.75. Why 12 bananas? Because 1 dozen is equal to 12 bananas. So cost price of 12 bananas is equal to 3.75 rupees. So cost price of 1 banana is equal to 3.75 upon 12. This is unit 3 method that we had already discussed in the previous chapter number 6. So cost price of 1600 bananas is equal to 3.75 divided by 12 multiplied by 1600. This gives you rupees 500. This means cost price of 1600 bananas is 500 rupees. So out of these 1600 bananas, the man sold 900 bananas at the rate of 2 bananas for 1 rupees. So the selling price of 2 bananas is equal to 1 rupees. So selling price of 1 banana is equal to 1 upon 2 rupees. So for selling price of 900 bananas is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 900. This gives you rupees 450. Now the remaining bananas. Total bananas 1600, 900 he had sold. So remaining bananas 700. These 700 bananas he had sold with the rate 5 bananas for rupees 2. So 1 banana, selling price of 1 banana is equal to 2 upon 5. So selling price of remaining banana, that means 700 bananas, is equal to 2 upon 5 multiplied by 700. This gives you rupees 280. So selling price of 900 bananas is 450 rupees, and selling price of remaining bananas, that is 700 bananas, is rupees 280. So total selling price of 1600 bananas is 450 plus 280 gives you 730. Means selling price of 1600 bananas is rupees 730. So here you can see that selling price of 1600 bananas is greater than selling cost price of 1600 bananas. So the man gains. So gain percent is equal to selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So 730 यानी कि selling price minus 500 divided by 500 multiplied by 100 gives you 230 divided by 5, that is equal to 46%. Means the man gains 46%. These are the practice questions based on the formulas of profit percent and loss percent. I hope you can easily solve these questions. If you have any query, you can ask in the query session. Thank you.